In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the H&R Block W-4 calculator. This tool helps you estimate how much federal tax should be withheld from your paycheck so you can aim for a smaller tax bill or a more predictable refund at filing time. First, access the tool by visiting the H&R Block W-4 calculator page. It's best to have a recent pay stub and, if applicable, your spouse's pay stub nearby. Using up-to-date information ensures the results match your situation. Make sure you're using the calculator for the current tax year, since tax brackets and credits can change annually. Next, enter your personal information. Choose your filing status: single, married filing jointly, or head of household. This choice affects your tax brackets and standard deduction, so select the status you expect to use on your tax return. If the tool asks about dependents or whether someone else can claim you, answer carefully because these details influence eligibility for certain credits and withholding recommendations. Now, input your income and deductions. Add your pay frequency, your gross pay per paycheck, and any other jobs in your household, including your spouse's if you file jointly. Be thorough. Leaving out a secondary job can lead to underwithholding. If you contribute to pre-tax benefits like retirement or health insurance, enter those amounts so the calculator can account for them. Then include any deductions you plan to claim. If you take the standard deduction, the tool will handle that automatically. If you itemize, enter your estimated totals. Finally, list any credits you expect to claim, such as the child tax credit or education credits, if prompted. The more complete your entries, the more accurate your estimate. After you've entered everything, review your results. The calculator will show whether you're on track for a refund or may owe at tax time. A larger expected refund generally means you're having more withheld than necessary, while an amount owed means your withholding might be too low. Many versions of the calculator also provide suggestions to better align your withholding with your goals. To finish, follow the tool's guidance to adjust your Form W-4. It may recommend entries for specific steps on the form or suggest an additional dollar amount to withhold each paycheck. Use those recommendations to complete a new W-4 and submit it to your employer through your payroll system or HR office. Changes typically apply to future paychecks, so give it a cycle or two and then revisit the calculator if you need to fine-tune. That's it. Simple, clear, and tailored to your situation.